Follow the pin the whole way. Follow the pin when it pops up.
This is somebody actually, they're probably waiting for me. No, here it comes.
No. It might be your turn.
It's probably my turn. They're probably waiting for me.
Oh, there you go.
Ah!
Hang on, so come from here and shoot out.
Oops, sorry.
You'll see it pop right here. Yeah, I never even thought about what these looked like before I worked there.
Yeah, this is sweet. And then they fill in there, and then
so many moving parts.
These things gotta be like old as fuck, right?
They're from the 70s.
And this is like how that guy lost his hand in Kingpin.
Oh really?
No,
I don't
joking.
know. But to get a whole new set of these, it costs like over $1 million just to get a whole half, you know?
Really?
Oh yeah, these are probably 200
Here one
grand
comes,
away.
I think. Nope, that was over there. Somebody up?
I can't see. Yeah, here it comes. Oh, I think it's your turn. Seriously.
All right.